New at 10, a new school year, exciting time for kids, but it can also come with stress.
Yeah, new data from Milwaukee County highlights the impact the pandemic has had on teens' mental health. Our Cassidy Williams is live tonight with more on what parents should know. Cassidy?
Since the pandemic began, virtual learning was listed as a stressor for 60% of children who died by suicide in Milwaukee County. While experts say it's typically a number of factors that lead to someone taking their life, they want parents to know there are resources available as we head into a third school year impacted by the pandemic.
The typical classroom has changed drastically since March 2020. Children, like everyone, navigating new sources of stress.
Looking at the stressors that we've all had that have been unique over the last 18 months, I think is a really important thing to focus and to know that counselors are adapting in the way that they're offering and providing treatment.
The Milwaukee Medical Examiner's Office reports 5 children have died by suicide since the start of 2020. 3 of those reports cite virtual learning as a stressor. On June 17, 2020, a 17-year-old girl from Cudahy died. The report notes she did not do well with at-home classes after the COVID-19 concerns. She was at risk of not graduating on time. On December 17, 2020, a 16-year-old boy from Milwaukee died. The report says, quote, his parents indicated he was struggling with virtual learning and the subsequent decline of his grades. Then in June of this year, a 12-year-old died from suicide in Milwaukee. The report says, quote, his grades were always good during his in-person studies, but his grades began to drop significantly when he began virtual school this past January.
If you feel like you're struggling, you're not alone. There is hope.
Andrea Nauer-Waldschmidt is the co-chair of the group Prevent Suicide of Greater Milwaukee. She says parents should look out for behavior changes and encourage their teen to talk.
It's really dependent for your teen, and I'd really encourage you, if there's concerns, to reach out to the Children's Crisis Mobile Team.
Now write down this number. It's the Milwaukee County Children's Mobile Crisis Team, 414-257-7621. Both parents and kids can call that number if they are ever in need of help. Live in Milwaukee, Cassidy Williams, FOX 6 News.
What an eye-opening report, Cassidy. Thank you.